Most people tell me that they want better relationships, but not everybody is willing to take and do whatever it takes to take the action. Tuesdays with Krista, where we choose to thrive. Over the weekend, I had the privilege to see people walking over fire. Not because they were fearless, because they had clarity. They were clear on where they were wanting to go. They were clear on what they were not going to tolerate anymore. And that clarity gave them the courage to take action and do whatever it takes. So here's the question for you. What is your vision for your relationships? What are you not willing to tolerate anymore? What are you choosing to go towards? Not hoping that it will change. Because the more clarity you have, the more courage you have, and it drives you into action. Because without clarity, we hesitate. And hesitation costs relationships. So today, choose. Where do you want to go with your relationship? What are you willing to do to get there? The fire is not the hard part. Avoiding the truth is. So let me know in the comments below. What is it you want for your relationships? And what are you willing to do to get that?